Hello everyone, so we're here from this one. It is analyze of these games here. The title of this throwback of this one is FIDE Women's World Rapid Championship. So it means the throwback in the year of 2023 or 2024 from this one. So it means, so how many clocks here? So it means 25 minutes. Or interchange here from this one within 15 minutes and 20 seconds increment from this one. So it means I will choose up this one from these best games here from this one, and also have a two beautiful girls here from this one, and also have between from this beautiful and pretty international master in Kazakhstan is Merward Kamalidenova versus from this beautiful international master in Serbia is Theodora Inchak from this one. So two-faced beautiful girls here from this one, and also have a part of these videos here. We have analyzed of this one in this throwback FIDE Women's 2023. So white plays Merriweather is e4, e5 Theodora, knight f3, knight c6, and entering Roy Lopez opening and Morphy defense. So it means these are the main line by used by defense is knight to d4, or maybe here by Wesley or Berlin defense is knight f6. So knight f6 here from this one. So it means, so Morphy defense is a6 by Theodora. So it means without threats the bishop. So threatening the bishops here, and bishop backwards a4, and also d6, castling kingside by beautiful Merward from this one, and knight f6 with idea by threats the pawns, and rook to e1 develops by pawns here from this one, and bishop to d7, and also pawn to c4. So it means these are a novelty by Merriweather from these games from beautiful. So these are the old mainline. First good novelty is used by c4, d4, knight c3, and also bishop backwards b3. So it means first to fourth good novelty. So new novelty, fifth novelty is c4. So it means no more booklets here from this one, or no more by booklets here. And also g6 by beautiful Theodora with idea by dark square bishop, bishop to g7, or upcoming castling kingside here from this one, and also pawn to d4 by beautiful Merriweather, or maybe with idea by push to d5 attacks the knights. So it means without attacks the knights here from this one, and bishop g7 with idea by castling kingside here from this one, and also knight c3. So it means, so knight c3 is mark given but move by computer from this Merriweather. So the best moves there, this one is push to d5 with idea threats the knights here. So threatening the knights here, so slightly goods for whites here from this one. So back there is knight c3 and castling. The castling is X move. So the best moves is capture this pawn. So captured this pawns and decided knight takes captured. If you knight takes captured and queen takes captured. So it means these are the good slightly blocks here from this one. So back there is castling, X move by beautiful Theodora, and bishop takes captured knight, bishop takes captured, and bishop g5 with idea by threats the knights, or maybe queens by queen. So it means according by continuous by determinations here by solutions. And decided is h6 with idea threats the bishop, bishop backwards h4, and rook e8 by beautiful Theodora, or maybe without decided by queen by rooks. So without queens here from this one, or rooks from this one. And also capture this pawn, takes, and also bishop g3. So it means another bad move by Merriweather. So the best decided is queen takes captured, accepted, and a rook takes a d8. So rook takes ad8 here from this one. So these are the slightly good examples here. So it means, so back there is bishop g3 by Beautiful Merriweather and knight h5 with idea by threats the bishops from this one. We're threatening here from this one, and queen to c2 ignoring by Merriweather, and also knight f4. So it means bad move by Beautiful Theodora. So the best moves is knight captured bishop. So it means knight captured bishop here. So it means, according by solutions here from this one, these are the slightly goods captured. So back there is knight f4 by Beautiful Theodora and b4. Oh, so it means X by Merriweather. So it means mark X move. So the best is one is b3 pawns. So b3 here is the right move here. So it means b3 from this one. So almost there, b4, X moved by Beautiful Mirror. And also pawn to b5, ready by capture this pawn. And decided rook ad1 with idea by threats disturbs the queen. So threatening the queens here from this one, and decided queen e7 by Beautiful Theodora, and pawn to a3, capture this pawn, bishop takes captured knight, takes, and also knight d5. So knight d5 with idea by threatening the queens, or maybe bishops without threats the knights. So threatening the knights here from this one, and decided bishop takes captured, rook takes captured. So for example, in Axel, why don't we pawn takes bishop? How do you do that? How can I capture it? And decided queen d7. So queen d7 is a slightly good examples here from this one. So slightly good examples. This one. So back there, this one is rook takes captured here by Beautiful Merriweather here. Or maybe without queens, with idea by threats the pawns. Or threatening the pawns by attacks these targets. And pawn c3, or maybe without develops here from this one, and decided this one is pawn to e5 by Beautiful Merriweather, a5 by Beautiful Theodora, queen takes captured pawns, and pawn takes captured, takes, and also rook a4. So it means with idea by queen struts the pawns, or because this rook is struts here by rooks and queens by struts the captured pawns here from this one. And also rook c5 with idea by threatening the pawns, attacks the queen. So these are the next targets here from this one. And decided this one is rook b8 with idea by threatening the pawns here, or maybe without threats. Or threatening the pawns here from this one, or continuations from these determinations, and decided pawn to b5, and also rook b7. So it means another bad move by Beautiful Theodora. So the best moves there is rook to backwards is a7. So decide this one to backwards. So etc. These are the good solutions here from this one. Slightly better here. So back there, this one rook b7, and also h3 here, and also king to h7, rook c1. With idea by the triple, rook takes captured, because these are the rooks, queens, and rooks. Triple attacks without counters attacks here from this one. And also rook e4 with idea by threats the pawn, so it means another third times bad move by Theodora. So the best moves there is rook to a7, rook a7 from this one. So rook a7, so it means double 7th rank from this one. Defense by pawns. So it means rook e4 by Theodora, rook takes captured. Wrong move by Merriweather. So the best moves there is queen to a5 here. So queen to a5 with a defense or threats the pawns, without, because these rooks are doubles here. So slightly easy goods from whites here. So back there is rook takes captured, queen takes captured, without queen to queen, and Theodora accept queen takes, rook takes, and these are the knights versus bishop. So it means knights versus bishops here from this one, or maybe here by 5 pawns by Beautiful Merryworth, and the same pawns by uh, 4 pawns. So 4 pawns by Beautiful Theodora, so it means 5 versus 4. So it means dying seconds, it's 14 seconds by Beautiful Theodora. So and almost time 5 minutes by Beautiful Merryworth. So it means these are dying seconds from blacks here from this one. And also good move. Rook b4 with idea threats the pawns. And defense rook b7. Rook b1 check. King h2. Another good move g5 by Theodora. And also pawn to b6. King g6 without king must be active. And also rook b8. h5. Or maybe without idea by pawn to g4, threats the knights, attacks these pawns, so it means next from these moves. And also pawn g4 and empress at capture check, king takes, and also rook b3 with idea, cannot move the knights, these are the rooks by targets here from this one. And also king g2, g4 with idea by threats by knights, or pawns. So capture this one, this pawns here from this one, and takes, and also knight d4 with idea by disturb the rooks, threats the rooks here from this one. And decided is bishop takes captured, and also rook g8 check. So for example, why don't we knight takes rook? So how do you think from this one, and bishop takes rook? So it means bishop versus knights. So it means without counter attacks here from this one, these are the slightly better goods here from this one. So it means, so back there is rook g8 check, and also king h7 good move. Knight takes rook, king takes rook, and also knight c5, so it means knight versus bishop. So it means same by 2 pawns here. And also f5, knight d7 with a threat the bishops here, and also bishop to d6, pawn b7. Oh, almost by here, almost by promotes by queens. So it means almost here from this one, and king f7, b8 queen, bishop captured queen, knight takes bishop, pawn to f4. Oh, we got 2 pawns by Theodora and 1 pawn only by Merryworth from this one. And knight c6 with idea by check. So checks from this one. So it means without check. So without checks from this one. So it means without check. So check from this one, and king f6, knight b4, king f5, knight d5, or maybe with idea by here knight to a7 without check. So check by from this one, and king a4 threats the knights, check, knight king d4, knight b5 check, king e4, knight a3, king d3, knight b5, king e4, knight c7, king e5, knight e8. Oh, good. So it means knight e8 here, and king e4, knight f6 check, good move, king f5, and backwards knight g8, or maybe the idea by knight to e7 without check. So it means without, according by continuations here. King g5, king f1, oh, king f4, so it means bad move. So it means that the best one's computer is one is f5, king f5 here. So king f5 here from slightly kings here. So it's slightly easy goods here. So it means so back there king h4 and knight e7 without good move by beautiful Merriweather. The idea by knight to g6 without check. So check by continuations by this affordance here. King h3 and another good move. King g1. So it means perfect by beautiful Merriweather. And king h4 and knight f5. Knight f5 check. So it means bad move by computer by stockfish. So the best moves there once computer is knight to g6 check. So decided this one is king to h5. So slightly better from these goods here from PC move. So it means back there is knight f5 check and good move king g5 threats the knights. Knight d4 king f6 another good move. Knight c6 king f5 knight e7 check, king e6, knight g6, king f5 another third good move, check, king g5, knight g2, and also king f5 fourth good move by beautiful Theodora, and king f1, king e4, knight h4, and king d3, king g1, king e4, uh, king g2, and king d3 another bad move. So why bad move here? So the best moves there is move by king to e5 here. So king e5 here from this one. So king d3 and good move knight f5 by beautiful Merriweather, king e4 by beautiful Theodora, and knight to h6, f3 check, and king g3 the last 75 moves. So it means resigns by international master beautiful Theodora. So, I knew winning by international master beautiful Merriweather Kamalidenova. So it means so Merriweather she was a focus of concentrations by this one chess. So the score by these white pieces by Merriweather is 91.3 and the score in Theodora 88.5. So the winner from this beautiful pretty international master in Kazakhstan is Merriweather Kamalidenova. So I hope at this part of this video, thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi17, aka IconMark17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of these next chess updates. Have a good day and good night.